Student, you will enjoy while reading permutation and combination. See, first try to understand. Student, idea is syllabus of CSAT is basic numeracy up to 10th level. Basic numeracy up to 10th level. Student, see here, hey, please focus everyone, one good discussion. Right now we will discuss fresh question, right? Permutation combination, see the syllabus of CSAT, basic numeracy up to 10th level. And permutation combination start from 11th class. It means not in our syllabus. Dear student, only one word is given, basic numeracy. UPSC has not mentioned कि permutation combination will ask. How can they ask? Syllabus is up to 10th level, permutation combination start from 11th, so not in syllabus. But why we are going to study? Since last 5 years, 4 to 5 questions every year. But those questions are based on basic in nature, based on just a definition, based on number system only. And those questions one can answer easily in within 1 minute, within 30 seconds, if you are just familiar with the definition and basic ideas. So let's discuss permutation and combination without any formula. No NPR, no NCR formula required. Why? Because commerce background, humanity background also appear. That's why UPSC never asked a question in which formulas of 11th class required. Logically, everyone can do it. So let's see it. So student, in permutation combination, these are the 3 words. So copy it. Okay student, हमें भी पता है, you are also enjoying chips, cold drinks, तो मुझे भी मौका चाहिए. Okay, let's start. FPC, permutation and combination. Student, I will focus on FPC and permutation mainly. In our paper last year 5 question, out of 5, 2 question from FPC, 2 question from permutation. So every year if 4 question, then at least 2 question from FPC only. Right? So please write FPC, fundamental principle of counting. Right? First heading. Yes student, you will get, once class over, you will get both the PDF of maths as well as reasoning. Yes, let's start. So please write FPC. A only definition and understanding of the concept means you will be able to click it. See here student, please write FPC. Fundamental principle of counting. So once word counting means related to number system. Remember student, a 50% question in our paper only from FPC. So see this, fundamental of principle of counting. So there are 2 principles of counting. One can do a smart counting in 2 ways. One is fundamental principle of multiplication, and second one is fundamental principle of addition. So counting smartly can be done in 2 ways, using multiplication or addition. Okay student, so let's see the concept. No formula, only little understanding. Right? So let's discuss fundamental principle of multiplication and fundamental principle of addition. Focus on this diagram student. This diagram. Focus on this diagram. So let's say P, Q, R and S. This diagram will help you to understand concept of fundamental principle of counting. So let's say PQRS are 4 cities, 4 stations, and they are connected with different roads between them. See here, we will discuss all fresh question, student, all fresh question. See here, see the diagram, So PQRS are 4 stations and they are connected with different routes. So between P and Q there are two roads, Q and S there are 3 roads, like this 3 and 4 roads. So a student, discussion of 3 questions will help you to understand this topic easily. See, first question. So in how many ways a person can reach S from P via Q? So write, a student, number of ways to reach S from P via Q. A student, focus on question. In how many ways a person can reach S from P via Q? Hey, first go for simple logical counting. देखो इधर, hey, if you will follow upper road, then there are 3 ways. If you go for bottom road, again 3 ways. So 3 plus 3, 6. So with counting, clear answer is 6. From upper road 3 ways, from bottom road there are 3 ways. So 3 plus 3, 6 ways. Hey, student, this diagram will help you to understand, and then we will practice question. Variety of questions. See here. So if you will go for simple counting, using upper road there are 3 ways. Using bottom one, again 3 ways, so 6. Now how to go for principle? How to go mathematically? See here. See this. So a person can reach Q, S from P. देखो student. So see how to connect. So you are at P. Your aim is to reach S. So one can reach Q from P in 2 ways. There are 2 different roads are available. So one can reach Q from P in 2 ways, and same person can reach from Q to S in 3 ways. Let's see here. And answer is 2 into 3, that is 6 way. Wait, a student, wait. Here 2 and 3, why I have multiplied? So whenever 2 things are connected using AND, always go for multiplication. And whenever 2 things are connected using OR, always go for addition. So see here, one can reach Q from P in 2 ways, and from Q to S in 3 ways, and finally he reached S via Q. So here PQ and QS must be connected using AND. That's why I have applied multiplication sign. And this multiplication means fundamental principle of multiplication. See, once again, a student. Question is, in how many ways a person can reach S from P via Q? So one can reach Q from P in 2 ways and from Q to S in 3 ways. That's why you need to multiply, and this multiplication indicates fundamental principle of multiplication. So answer is 6 way. A student, similarly, second question. If question is, in how many way one can reach S via R? I am writing in short form. Same question. In how many ways one can reach S from P via R? So देखो answer. So see the answer, total ways. From P to R, one can reach R from P in 3 ways, and from R to S in 4 ways. And means again multiply. So one can reach S from P via R 3 into 4. That is equal to 12 ways. A student, wait. How 3 into 4? From P to R, one can reach R from P in 3 ways, and from R to S in 4 ways. That's why you need to multiply, because connection only possible using AND. Right? So in first and second question we have used fundamental principle of multiplication. Now see third question. If question is in how many ways one can reach S from P. A question in short form. In how many ways one can reach S from P. Question over. You are at P. In how many ways one can reach S from P. A student. Now you have two choice. You are at P. You have two choice. One can reach S either via Q or via R. Third question, my question is in how many ways one can reach S from P. So you have two choice. Either you can go via Q or via R. So via Q 6 ways or via R, second question answer 12 ways. Therefore answer is 18 ways. Student, in first two question I have used fundamental principle of multiplication. And third question I have used fundamental principle of addition. That's why plus. So 6 plus 12. So in how many ways one can reach S from P? The idea is you either via Q or via R. Via Q answer is 6 way or means plus. Via R 12 ways answer is 18 ways. A student, let's discuss real practical question using based on FPC. देखो student, some different variety of question. So whenever connection is possible using AND, go for multiplication. Whenever connection is possible or go for addition. So let's discuss 49th question. 49th question. Find the number of four digit numbers. Find number of 4-digit numbers which can be formed using 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 without repetition of digit. So a student, find how many 4-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 without repetition of digit. So a student, see here. So 4-digit number means unit place, tens place, 100 place and 1000 place. Okay. And whenever number formation start from left hand side, because 1000 place cannot be 0. So see here a student, total numbers. See using FPC how you will get the answer quickly. देखो a student. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits are available, but 0 can't be placed at 1000 position. So except 0, all 4 digits you can use. So 1000 place can be filled in 4 ways. A student, 4 ways are either 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 1000 place can be filled in 4 ways. 0 cannot be placed in leftmost position. Now think about 100 place. Without repetition means repetition of digit not allowed. So 1 digit I have out of 5 I have placed 1 digit at 1000 place. Only 4 digit is remaining. And 0 you can place at 100 place. So 100 place can be filled again in 4 ways. Why? Because 0 is permissible at other places. So a student, 2 out of 5 2 digit we have occupied. Only 3 digits are remaining. So tens place can be filled in 3 ways. Tens place can be filled in 3 ways. And 3 digit occupied, out of 5 only 2 digit are remaining. So unit place can be filled in 2 ways. Just wait a student. See here. So now go for connection, whether you need to put multiplication or addition. See here. So 1000 place can be placed in 4 ways, and 100 place can be 4 ways, and tens place can be in 3 ways, and unit place can be 2 ways, and finally you will get 4 digit number. In single case always go for multiplication. So a student, just multiply. 4 4 ja 16, 16 3 ja 48, 48 2 ja 96. So 96 numbers can be formed without repetition of digit. And finally we have used fundamental principle of multiplication to answer the question. No formula, only understanding of idea of FPC. A student, go for another example. See here. There are 6 doors. in a row. In how many ways can these doors be painted with 4 different colors such that no 2 adjacent doors are painted with same color? Read again. There are 6 doors in a row. In how many ways can these doors be painted with 4 different colors? Student, there are 6 doors, right? Door number 1, door number 2, door number 3, door number 4, 5 and 6. These are the 6 doors. Read the condition. In how many these can be painted? So 4 colors are available. 4 colors are available with you. And what is the condition? No 2 adjacent door painted with the same color. So start with door number 1. Student, for door number 1, 4 colors are available. So door number 1 can be painted in 4 ways. And student, condition is no 2 adjacent painted with same color. So same color you can't go for door number 2. So out of 4, only 3 colors are available for door number 2. So door number 2 can be painted in 3 ways. And student, no 2 adjacent door painted with same color, but color of door 1 I can repeat in door number 3. So out of 4, again 3 colors are available for door number 3. Right? Color of D2 we can't use, but color of D1 you can repeat it. Similarly, door number 4 can be painted in 3 ways. Door number 5 can be painted in 3 ways. Door number 6 can be painted in 3 ways. So this is the answer of the question. Why multiplication? Listen. In single case, multiply, multiply, multiply till work is over. In single case, always fundamental principle of multiplication. So see here, the idea was door number 1 painted with 4 ways, and door number painted with 3 ways, and door number 3 is painted in 3 ways till door number 6. So FPC. Right, student? So 81 into 12. 972. So product is, so there are 972 different ways to satisfy the question. So here also fundamental principle of multiplication. Let's go for another example, student. Another example based on FPC. So using just number system, questions are doable. Read this question. Question, student. How many 4-digit numbers having distinct digit means digits are not repeated can be formed using the digit 0 to 9? How many 4-digit number? And all digits are available in this. So student, question simple. देखो leftmost digit के लिए out of 10 9 digits are available, except 0 all 9 digits are available. So leftmost position can be filled in 9 ways. In second position from the left, 0 is available, but first digit not available. So again 9 ways. This place can be filled in 8 ways. This place can be filled in 7 ways. This is the answer of the question. Why multiplication? Because leftmost position can be filled in 9 ways, and 100th position in 9 ways, and 10th position. Student, here digits are distinct. So this will give you the answer of the question. Very good student. Very good. Question number 52 पे आओ. ये देखो, now one very good condition. Student, slowly. हाँ जी. Welcome dear student. Yes. Still we are ready for continuation. So please focus on, देखो FPC का one very good example where there is a twist. See this. How many 4-digit numbers having distinct digits can be formed using the digits 0 to 9 such that the numbers are divisible by 5? Student, the previous question with little twist. Read question again. How many 4-digit numbers having distinct digit means repetition of digit not allowed using 0 to 9 all 10 digits such that the numbers are divisible by 5? Alert, attention, good one. Divisible by 5, number divisibility rule of 5. If a number ends with 0 or 5, then the number is always divisible by 5. So here two cases are required. If a number ends with 0 or 5, ends with 0 or 5 means unit digit can be either 0 or can be 5. So two cases are required. Student, case 1. Case 1. If unit digit is 0 and case 2, if unit digit is 5. Always read question, and this is purely number system and little idea of multiplication. See here, student, two cases are required. Unit digit 0 means ends with 0, divisible by 5. 5 2 are 10, 5 3 are 15. Unit digit 5 also divisible. So now from the number, 4 digit number. So here see total numbers. See the total number of case 1. Case 1 student. So this place, leftmost position, unit, tens, hundred, thousandth place, 0 to 9. 10, out of 10 digit, only 9 digits are available. Student, wait. A first place 0 at unit place. This is unit place. So unit place if 0 means this place can be filled in one way. I have fixed 0 at unit place. So now 0 is not available for remaining 3 places. So unit place can be filled only in one way in case number 1. Now you are free. So start the leftmost position. 0 is at unit place, so it means 0 is not available for other places. Digits are distinct, so only 9 digits are available. So leftmost position can be filled in 9 ways, right? Because unit digit has 0 place. So now 2 position occupied, unit and leftmost. Out of 10, 8 digits are available. So 100th place can be filled in 8 ways and 10th place can be filled in 7 ways. So 9 into 8 into 7, Haji, 9 into 8 into 7 is the value of case 1. Let's multiply. 72 into 7, that is 7 2 ja 14, 1, 7 7 ja 14, 9 plus 1, 504. A student, in single case always go for multiplication. They are asking how many total numbers. They are very big, counting not possible. Now see second case, right? So either first case possible or second case possible. Both the case may divisible by 5. So student, go for if unit digit is 5. So if unit digit is 5, then this place can be filled in only one way. Now see total numbers. Student, think about 1000 place. So 0, now 0 we can't use at leftmost position, 1000 place. So 1 digit I have as use at unit place, 0 not allowed in leftmost position. So only 8 digits are available for leftmost position. So leftmost position can be filled in 8 ways. Acha, 0 you can use here. So 2 unit I have used, 2 digit I have used, so this place also can be filled in 8 ways. 3 already occupied, so out of 10, 7 are available for 10th place. So student, this much of number can be formed in case 2. So 8 8 ja 64 into 7, that is 7 4 ja 28, carry 2. 7 6 ja 42 plus 4, 44. So 448. So answer is student 504 plus 448. (952). So answer is option D. The answer is option D. Answer is option D, student. Student, good one. So either case 1 possible or case 2 possible. So fundamental principle of addition. So in individual case, fundamental principle of multiplication, but in two different cases, either first case or second case, so add them. Answer is 952. Student, similar question but little change, divisible by 3, so homework. Homework student, homework. Hey, 53, 54 based on digits, so homework. Let's focus on 55 question, 55th question. Read this question. Similar question appear in our paper also. Student, last year 2 question. Once you got the idea of FPC, you can do it easily. Both the question. Student, read this 55th question. A question paper consists of 5 problems, means 5 questions. Each question having 3 multiple choices. It means option A, option B and option C. In how many ways can a candidate attempt one or more problems? Problems means question. Student, assume you are a student, जो हो आप, and in your paper there are 5 questions, each question 3 choices A, B and C, and with condition you need to answer. In how many ways can a candidate attempt 3 or more? देखो इधर. Yes student, listen here. So a question paper consists of 5 problems. Hey, देखो, hey, just focus on first question student. Each question multiple choice, there are 3 choices A, B and C. Okay, so here, see here. So as a student, how can you attempt? In first question can be attempted in how many ways? Just focus on first question. So as a student, I can mark either option A or option B or option C, or you can leave the question. Hey, suppose you don't know the answer of this question, maybe negative marking also possible. So how can you attempt? So it means first question and each question can be attempted in 4 ways. Student, leaving question is also one of the method, one of the way. So first question and each question one can answer in 4 ways, either option A or option B or option C, or you can leave it. Yes, Nishcha, very good. So see here. So first question one can answer in 4 ways, right? Similarly, second question in 4 ways, third question also 4 ways, fourth question also in 4 ways, fifth question also in 4 ways. Wait a student. So without any condition, this paper can be solved in 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, because total 5 questions. So 16 into 16, 256. So 256 into 4, just multiply student. 4 4 ja 16, 4 ja 64, right? 64. So 4, 16, 256 into 4, 4 into 256. So without any condition, hey, this is okay, this is 2 raised to the power 10. So 1024 ways. A student, question not 8 over, 1024 is the wrong. See here, in how many ways a candidate attempt one or more problems? Hey, it means this total 1024 ways में the one method is, the one way is, there is a one way in which the whole paper can be left blank, and condition is at least one or more question you need to attempt. So therefore answer is 1024 minus 1. Only correct answer is 1023. Yes dear student, 1023. Why? Because question is at least one or more attempts is must. It means leaving all question not allowed, and one can left all question blank only in one way. That case you need to subtract. So answer is 1023 ways. Student, so one small discussion FPC. 50% question of this topic in our paper only from FPC. Fundamental principle of counting. After the class, solve it all question now you are able to do in 30 seconds. Paper question just in 30 seconds by applying FPC. Okay, so now let's discuss about permutation. Permutation, student. Permutation without formula, only using logical sense. Okay. लास्ट में शशि समझ में नहीं आया क्योंकि -1 देखो मैं समझा रहा हूं. आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन विथ वन स्मॉल एग्जांपल. इमेजिन कि one of the way out of 1024, one of the student can left all question. So all question can be left blank, non-attempted. In how many ways? Only one way. That one way you need to subtract from 1024 because question is at least one or more questions should be attempted. So 0 attempt not allowed. That case you need to subtract. Yes, leaving 1 you need to subtract. Okay. So student, let's go for permutation. Right, student, permutation means arrangement. Permutation means arrangement. So write the idea and then we will practice. So permutation means arrangement. Right, student, in real life we arrange what? We arrange chairs in a row. Person sitting arrangement, sitting of a person in a row. Dress arrangement, books arrangement in almirah. So you know the sense of arrangement. Okay, student. So permutation means arrangement, and while arranging in a row, order is important. So write one more line. In permutation, order of arrangement is important. In permutation, student, each and every question, permutation, combination, FPC, one can answer without any formula. Only if you are familiar with definition and proper understanding. Okay. So see here, permutation. In permutation, order of the arrangement is important. So write one heading, permutation when, write heading, permutation when objects are distinct. Permutation when objects are distinct. Permutation means arrangement of object if objects are distinct. Remember, persons are always distinct. Persons are always distinct. Here let's understand the sense and meaning of permutation when objects are distinct. Student, write heading, permutation when objects are distinct. So see here, let's say there is object A, person A. So person A can be arranged in a row only in one way. Now think about two persons in a row. A, B, persons are always distinct. So two persons in a row can be arranged like AB or BA or BA. So two persons can be, student, focus on understanding. So two persons in a row can be arranged in two ways. AB and BA are two different arrangements. Now let's say there are three persons, ABC. Right? So three persons in a row, ABC, ACB, BAC, BCA, then similarly starting with C, CAB and CBA. So student, three persons can be arranged in a row in 6 ways. In 6 ways. Hey, this is the idea of understanding. Now let's identify the logical pattern. What kind of pattern is hidden here? What kind of arrangement hidden here? Listen here, student. concentrate on discussion. Student, 2 I can write 1 into 2. Right? 6 I can write 1 into 2 into 3. 1 2 ja 2, 3 ja 6. 2 means 1 into 2. And 1 I can write only 1. Here now, in mathematics, there is a one term, factorial. Factorial is a constant. So 1 means 1 factorial. 1 into 2 means 2 factorial. Student, factorial is simple. Product of all natural number from 3 to 1 is known as 3 factorial. So 3 into 2 into 1 means 3 factorial. Factorial is a constant. 5 factorial means product of all natural number from 5 to 1. So student, see here. Now see the logical pattern. One person can be arranged in a row in 1 factorial way. 2 person can be arranged in a row in 2 factorial ways. 3 person can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. So write one note. It means n person can be arranged in a row in n factorial ways. N person can be arranged in a row in n factorial way. What it means? Hey, see the pattern. See the pattern. It means 5 person can be arranged in a row in 5 factorial ways. 7 person can be arranged in a 7 factorial way. So this idea always true if objects are distinct. Okay, now write. Yes, 0 factorial is 1, but abhi right now, 0 factorial is 1 is derived by using concept of 11th class permutation. Okay, students, so abhi right now our discussion is simple. Just a little knowledge of factorial required. Students, see here. Now write permutation when objects are distinct. Write another heading, permutation when objects are distinct. Permutation when objects are distinct. When objects are identical. When some objects are identical. When some objects are identical. Student, just focus here. The first case was permutation when objects are distinct. Now when some objects are identical, then how to go for arrangement? Focus here. One good discussion. Right. See here. Right. Student, focus here. Now see how to begin this. Let's say, जरा यहाँ ध्यान से देखना है student. Let's say there are 2 objects and both are identical. Books are generally identical. Dresses can be identical. Chair of same color can be identical. So let's say there are 2 objects and both are identical. Student, so A can be arranged in a row only in one way. Only in one way. Obvious, because both are identical. Okay, now go for, let's say there are 3 objects. A and B. And out of 3 objects, a student concentrate. Out of 3 objects, 2 are identical. So see how to handle. Here write practical. Write practically. So AAB, the first arrangement is AAB in a row. Second arrangement is ABA. And third arrangement is starting with B, BAA. So these 3 objects AAB can be arranged only in student. No formula, no NCR and all, no NPR required in our preparation of CSAT. Only little understanding basics means you can do it everything. So no, I will suggest you never try to solve question using NPR or NCR. Only understanding means all question done. So see here. So AAB, ABA, BAA. Just focus on discussion. 3 ways. 3 ways. So right. Let's say one more example. Let's say there are 4 objects. There are 4 objects, double A, double B. There are 4 objects, and in how many ways practically can be arranged? A student, first write down all possible arrangement. Logically, order is important. A, B, B, A, B, A, B. Starting with A. Starting with A, one more possible. A double B, A double B A. First write logical suitable arrangement, logical counting, because in our paper most of the question just write logically and answer over. See here, A again starting with B, double B double A. B, B A B A, ba ba, and then B, B double A B. Student, so double A double B, 4 object, out of 4 object 2 are identical in as A to another identical B, and here counting is 6 ways. So these 4 objects can be arranged in 6 ways. Wait student, yes, please concentrate here. Ye dekho now the conclusion. See the beautiful conclusion. So now I am going to derive logical pattern for permutation when some objects are identical. See here, see how to convert into logical pattern. Listen carefully everyone. After counting, see the pattern just like first case. So one way, how to get one? Dekho student, in how many objects are available? 2 objects are available. Dekho how to convert into logical pattern. One pattern, beautiful pattern, simple, and you will be able to click most of the question. See here, double A, 2 objects in the beginning available. A, focus on first statement. Double A can be arranged in one way. See hidden factorial. If both the objects are distinct, if both the A are distinct, then can be arranged into factorial. Student, compare both the table, distinct and some identical. One interesting observation is, whenever some objects are identical, number of ways always gets reduced. Whenever some objects are identical, number of ways always gets reduced. Ye dekho na, 4 factorial. If 4 objects can be arranged in 4 factorial way, 24 ways. But here 4 factorial only 6 ways. So sense is gets reduced, not half. Always gets reduced when some are identical. तो देखो अब मैं इसको तीनों का एक पैटर्न डेवलप करता हूं. See here, A. If both the objects are distinct, then using n factorial ways, first type idea, this A, if both objects are distinct, then can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. Using first case idea, n factorial, if both are distinct. But here, both are identical. So, divide by number of identical factor. Here, 2 objects are identical. So, divide by 2 factorial. Why dividing by 2 factorial? Because our answer is lesser answer. That's why divide by identical number of factors. Identical number of factorial. So 2 factorial by 2 factorial is 1, this one and this one is same. Just wait a student, focus here. Now see 3 ways. How to get A, B, answer is 3 ways. देखो इसको आप convert करते हैं factorial में. Imagine all the 3 objects are distinct, A, B. If all the 3 objects are distinct, then arrangement can be possible in 3 factorial ways. But actually out of 3, 2A are identical. So divide by 2 factorial. Why 2 factorial? Because 2A are identical. Solve it. Student, 3 factorial by 2 factorial ko solve karo. 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 2 into 1. Answer is 3 ways. So this 3 exactly same. Yes, focus on double A, double B. 6 ways. Similarly, so double A, double B, there are 4 alphabets. Assume all 4 objects are distinct. If all 4 are distinct, so can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. But in actual, A repeated 2 times, so divide by 2 factorial. B also repeated 2 times, so divide by again 2 factorial. Students, slowly simplify. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Divided by 2 into 1 into 2 into 1. So exactly answer is 6. So this 6 and this 6 exactly same. So whenever some objects are identical, hey, combine, club both the discussion. This is logical. हाँ, मैथ 3 पहले इस पे फोकस करो. स्टूडेंट, hey, please answer, madam. Yes, madam. Hey, question, student. Letter of the madam can be arranged in a row in how many ways? Please send the answer of the question. Letters of the madam, M-A-D-A-M, can be arranged in how many ways? A student, use this idea and send me the answer. Send me the answer of madam. Letter of the madam can be arranged in how many ways? There are 5 letters. Very good student, very good student. If all letters are distinct, then can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. Out of 5, M is repeated 2 times, so divide by 2 factorial. A is also repeated 2 times, so again divide by 2 factorial. And solve it this much number of ways. Very good. All student, very good. 30. Hey, देखो. So answer is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Divided by 2 2 ja 4. So answer is 5 3 ja 4 4 cancel. So 30 ways. So letter of the madam can be arranged in 30 ways, dear student. So permutation over. In our paper, nothing beyond this. All paper question now you can handle permutation. All FPC you can handle paper question without any formula. Remember this. हाँ जी, this is good question राकेश. हाँ, डबल ए वेज एक बारी और समझा देते हैं. सी हियर, डबल ए, whenever some objects are identical, then number of ways to derive, divide by. A is repeated 2 times, so divide by 2 factorial. Number of M repeated 2 times, so why I am dividing? Because number of ways gets reduced. Hey, double A का मतलब है both the objects are identical. So you can arrange only in one way. Only A is not well defined. Both are 100% identical. That's why one way. Yes, I am going to Rakesh's query. Haji. Yes, student. How to identify permutation and combination? So, student, write next word combination. You will understand how to identify combination and how it is different from permutation. So, student, write one word combination. Student, a 56th question homework, 57th homework, 58th homework, 59th homework. So, now this question you can do it. 60th homework. ये देखो स्टूडेंट, हे जरा इस क्वेश्चन को देखो परमुटेशन का. दिस इज ए 2021 क्वेश्चन. ये पहले इसको देखते हैं, देन आई विल गिव यू लिटिल आइडिया अबाउट कॉम्बिनेशन एंड विथ कंपैरिजन यू कैन कीप इन माइंड इजीली. सी हियर, हे सी दिस क्वेश्चन, CSAT 2021 using 223333. It means some are identical. Student, focus on this question. 22333 as digits means 5 digits are available, but some are identical. How many distinct numbers greater than 30,000? Student, greater than 30,000 means 5 digit. Only 5 digit numbers are available. So how many 5 digit numbers greater than 30,000? So देखो 1 2 3 4 5. So see the total numbers. Student, see here focus everyone here. Whatever idea we have discussed, see here. देखो student, greater than 30,000 unit place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place and 10,000 place. So 10,000 place must be fridge as 3. Because greater than 30,000 means 10,000 must be 3. So this place can be filled in one way only. Because only 2 and 3 digits are available. So all possible number must start with 3. So 10,000 place can be filled in one way. Now see a student, here now focus on these 4 digits. So remove 1 3. 1 3 I have taken at 10,000 position. So now 4 digits are left and 4 positions are left. देखो student, so these 4 position you need tens, hundred and thousand place can be filled in 4 factorial divided by 2a. If 2 2 3 3 all are distinct, then 4 factorial divided by 2 is repeated 2 times, so 2 factorial. 3 is repeated 2 times, so 3 factorial, and this is the answer of the question. A student, this is the answer of the question. A, whatever we have learned, see the question, 10,000 position 3, so 1 3 occupied here. So 10,000 position can be filled in one way. Remaining 4 position के लिए 4 digits are available. So if all are distinct, then 4 factorial. And oh, wait. A, all are distinct. See here. So 2 is repeated 2 times, so 2 factorial, but only 2 3s are left. Only 2 3s are. So divided by 2 factorial, student. A, not 3 factorial. Because 1 3 already occupied at 10,000 position. So answer is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 2 into 1 into 2 into 1. Only correct answer is 6. 6 such numbers can be formed. Dear student, yes, 6 number. A student, one can write all those 6 number using counting also. 32,233. Like this you can write all the numbers also. A student, please write. A student, okay, everything okay. Write word combination, write one word combination, and I will discuss, Rakesh, ki how permutation, combination are different and what is the sense. Please write word combination. Oh, please write word combination. Student, we will discuss little, only little. See here. See a student. So write word combination. Write word combination. So a student, combination means selection, right? Combination means selection. Combination means selection, whereas permutation means arrangement, right? One more statement. In combination, order of selection is not important. In combination, order of selection. Welcome, dear student. Welcome, dear student. Thank you so much. And just practice. A suggestion is every day practice about 2 hours, at least 2 hours for CSAT till prelims exam. Student, abhi before ending the session, I will give you exam day tips. Some important tips which I got from thousands of student feedback. So I will share, I will discuss important tips for CSAT paper exam. And those tips will help you a lot to qualify to do well in CSAT paper. Okay, student. So dear student, combination. So in combination, order of selection is not important. What it means? Order of selection is not important. Hey, in a class, I need 2 students for party. 2 students for party. So those 2 students can be any 2. So here arrangement is missing. No sense of arrangement. Okay. So dear student, focus here. Combination. So how to understand, how to see this? A, focus on these words. Combination. Word selection. Team formation, team formation, team formation. First write down these words. Group formation, group formation, group formation. Then pick, choose. A student, whenever these words are given in the question, it means other than arrangement. Other than arrangement. Yes, a student, you will get PDF just after the session. Just after the session. Within few minutes will be uploaded. So see a student, combination, selection. ये देखो team formation, what is the sense? A cricket team. So team of 11, you need to choose from 20 available player. So 11 players are selected from 20 players. Here order of arrangement is completely missing. Best 11 player selected from 20 available player. So sense is selection. Group formation. A group of 3 are formed out of 10 people. So it means the best. Pick 3 out of 5. Choose 7 out of 10. So all these word indicates about combination other than permutation. And in our exam, not a single formula. A, don't go for NCR. This is not in our syllabus. A to Z question appear in our paper from combination. One can solve using just simple understanding. Just simple understanding. Right? So no, don't go for formula NCR or NPR. This is my suggestion. This is my suggestion. CSAT exam day strategy. देखो student, one serious note on serious note. CSAT paper 2 always comes after GS, after general studies. So after general studies, a student with lots of pressure, lots of tension, they appear in CSAT paper. So what happens as a student when you appear in paper 2, CSAT paper 2, second session, you have lots of tension, GS paper tension. So with pressure, what happens? Once you started reading question, the easier question becomes average, average question becomes good, and good question becomes very tough for students. 20% CSAT paper becomes extra difficult because of pressure of general studies. That's why if the good practice required before the exam. So student, let's discuss the idea, important idea. Listen here. So the first idea is average time available in our paper. We have discussed about 3 minutes. Minimum 2.5 minutes per question. And number of attempts required between 42, number of attempts required between 40 to 45. Listen student carefully. Never attempt more than 45 as well as less than 40. Both are equally danger. In between them is the best one. Okay na? So after preparation, rejection is important than selection. Right now, so these kind of which question you need to eliminate, reject. Right? So careful rejection required. Okay na? Hey, listen here, listen here. Right? So since average time available 2.5 minutes, so listen one statement carefully. If you are able to get answer within 1 minute, any question of CSAT paper, if you are able to get answer within 1 minute, so remember, your attempt is completely wrong. It means you have missed the twist of UPSC. Whenever you are getting answer within 1 minute, please do it again. Same question. If again second time again same answer, then go with confidence. Generally what happens nowadays, questions are average or good question appear. So whatever twist they have given in the question, you have missed in 1 minute. A time available is 2.5 minute average. Why to do in 1 minute? Spend at least 1.5 to 2 minutes in every question. So if you are less than 1 minute, so do it again, and if same answer, then continue. A student, now tell me, everyone sitting here, as a student, there are 3 subjects. As a student, which subject you are planning to start in the beginning? Give me the reaction, student. Which subject you are planning to start in the beginning? Maths, reasoning, or reading comprehension? Please send your reaction. As a student, because a paper generally start with reading comprehension. Generally nahi, always start with reading comprehension. So as a student, which subject, maths, reasoning, or reading comprehension? Give me some clue. Haji. Oh, wow. Maths, reasoning, oh, no one. Okay, English, all right. English or RC, both are same thing. Mix RC. Okay, now mix reaction. So now 1/3 reasoning, 1/3 maths, and 1/3 English. A student, listen this idea. Please write down. Please write down. One important suggestion. Always start paper. Always start paper with reasoning. With reasoning. First write down. Always start paper with reasoning. Student, reason, listen. In reasoning, about 15 to 25, between 15 to 25 question appear in our paper. In first half an hour, one can attempt easily 15-17 question. And if you attempt 15 question, chances 10 question at least will be correct also. Because out of 3, reasoning one easiest section. Compared to all 3, reasoning easy. Maximum average time required in reasoning is 1.5 minutes. So in half an hour, even if you are able to solve 10 or 12 questions correctly, you will get full confidence, and then you can handle the difficult segment also easily. So important suggestion, always start paper with reasoning. So now see the order. So reading, reasoning, then RC. Listen here. Then maths. Focus here. This is for those students who have written RC first. It means those who are having fear in maths, please follow this order. But those who are having maths background, engineering background, right now mathematics background, those who are good in maths, follow this order. Reasoning first, then maths, and then reading comprehension. So must spend time in all 3 segments. So the important area means, if you are good in RC, keep in the middle and spend about 50 to 55 minutes. If you are good in maths, keep in the middle and spend about 50 to 55 minutes. But must spend at least half an hour for the poorest section also. Must go for all the 3 sections. Student, sometimes maths question easy, sometimes RC, reasoning always doable in paper. Out of 20, one can attempt, one can do correctly 15 question easily. I am talking about only 10-12 question. If in half an hour, if you are able to do it, you will get confidence and you will be clear easily. Okay, student. So please, suggestion hai, always start with reasoning. Now see here. Important chapter of maths we have discussed. Student, right? Number system, percentage, ratio and average, data interpretation and data sufficiency, time, speed, distance, right? Okay, and permutation combination. So important chapter of maths, write down, a student. Must practice first this number system. A student, please write this. Number system practice at least 200 questions. Percentage, at least 100 question practice. Right now, ratio and average, practice 100 question because they are very, very important. Data interpretation and data sufficiency, 100 question. These numbers are number of question that will give you the power, right? Time, speed, distance and work. Time, speed, distance, practice at least 50 question. And permutation and combination, right? Student, practice 100 question. First focus on these 6 chapter. This number will give you confidence. Every year 10 plus 12 plus question from number system. So practice more question in number system to get power, to get confidence to handle those level. Okay student, right now write important topics of reasoning, important chapters of reasoning. Student, important chapters of reasoning. Yes student, important chapters of reasoning. So student, series and coding decoding. Okay na? Haji. Student, dice and cube. Say only few chapters right now. Dice and cube, then clock and calendar. Syllogism. Student, last 2 years, lots of question from syllogism. Haji, sitting arrangement and puzzles. Just focus on this. So 6th chapter here also important. Student, paper in mixed, but if you have good practice, just in offline mode you can pick question of reasoning and maths very quickly. Just turn page, if reasoning question, attempt it. So in offline mode, picking question and attempting is so simple, so easy. Haji, don't worry, you will get PDF. Student, actually PDF is with me right now. After the session, I will send to the technical department, computer department, and he will upload. So don't worry, everything will be live. Okay student, so the one last suggestion is must practice CSAT paper. Practice CSAT paper, combined CSAT paper. Combined student, still 1 month left. So suggestion hai, go for every week at least 1 paper. So practice at least 4 paper. At least 4. And use all these idea in all 4 papers. All these ideas you need to apply it. Okay student, I think this much sufficient, right? Yes बच्चों, घर चलना है? बोलो स्टूडेंट, क्या करना है अभी? हाँ जी, because you all are ready, so I am also ready. Yes dear student, tell me. Okay, yes dear student, right? Dear student, my good wishes, I am with you, KSG with you, and such a good idea. Even I am proud, I feel proud as a teacher, as a CSAT faculty, that I got chance to do such a part of such a beautiful PT marathon session. हाँ जी, जीतना है स्टूडेंट. यस, हाँ, क्या किया जाए? यस डियर स्टूडेंट, हाँ जी, बहुत अच्छा. Welcome every student, and I pray everyone sitting in the class definitely will qualify CSAT as well as general studies. Yes student, हाँ जी, Because student, why my energy is high? My one suggestion is every day do 10 minutes of meditation. This is my suggestion for everyone. Any kind of meditation, must do it every day about 10 minutes. That will help you to achieve your goal. Yes, student, yes. Tips to maintain energy high, the focus is most important. पागलपन होनी चाहिए, आईएएस बनना है केवल, सब कुछ आउट, एवरीथिंग आउट, ओनली एक ही पागलपन, आईएएस आईएएस आईएएस, वही दिखे और कुछ भी ना दिखे, मीन्स यू गॉट इट. Yes, dear student, my dear student, tell me, let's do something. कुछ बताऊं और भी. मार्किंग कुछ ऐसा था स्टूडेंट, ये देखो, द मार्किंग इज समथिंग लाइक दिस, ये देखो मार्किंग ए लास्ट 2022 मैथ्स 36 क्वेश्चन, रीजनिंग 17 क्वेश्चन, and reading comprehension 27 question. In 2020 student, देखो 2020, in 2020 maths question in our CSAT paper exactly 42 question, reasoning only 13 questions, and reading comprehension 27 question. Students, such a big number in maths, so must practice it. हाँ जी student, see here, in our collection about 8 questions, so let's discuss about data sufficiency for 10 to 15 minutes and then we will close it. Yes, one question is of 2.5 marks. Student, let's discuss data sufficiency. Let's discuss this student data sufficiency. See here, since last 4 year, lots of question. Last year 5 question, last year 4 question. So 4 to 5 question every year. Let's discuss about data sufficiency. Student, data sufficiency, whether data is sufficient or not, this decision you need to take logically. Remember student, this is not a chapter, this is just a variety of question which can be asked in every chapter of maths and every chapters of reasoning. Now see, what is the sense of data sufficiency in few minutes. See one example first. See one example, find the value of x. Can you find? Impossible. It means data insufficient. A decision whether data sufficient or not to answer the question. Right now data insufficient. Acha, now I am going to give you first statement. Student, every question consists of generally 2 statement, right? And option, can you answer the question using first statement? See here. So let's say 3x minus 5y is equal to minus 2. So a student, find x, find the value of x. So 3x minus 5y is equal to 2. Can you find the answer? Answer is yes. Listen here. Yes, I am Gawri Shankar, KSG CSAT faculty since last so many years, very long time. Alright. Okay student, see here. So find x. If 3x minus 5y is equal to minus 2. Can you find the answer? Yes, I can find the answer. See how? If x is 0, y is equal to 2 by 5. If y is 0, x can be something. So for different value of y, different values of x. Possible. For different value of y, different values of x are possible. So we are able to calculate the x. So a student, write note number one, important concept, write down. Write one concept, write one ideas about data sufficiency. Likho, in data sufficiency question, answer should be unique. Right, first point, first idea. In data sufficiency question, answer should be unique. Means only one answer will be accepted. This is the first idea, keep in mind. Right. So finally, first statement alone not sufficient to answer the question. Now go for second statement. A student, now try to answer just using second statement. Can you answer the question or not? Hey, now forget first statement. Focus on second statement. Step number 1 is try to answer question using first statement alone. Step number 2 is try to answer question using second statement alone. So see here, student. Let's say second statement is minus 9x plus 15y is equal to 6. Student, can you find the answer of the question using second statement alone? Again, answer is no, because one equation, two variable. So unique answer not possible. So second statement alone not sufficient. Listen here. Step number 1, answer according alone, first statement alone whether sufficient or not. Answer is here no. Second, alone sufficient or not? No. Whenever individually answer not possible, then third step is combine both the data. Combine both the data and try to answer the question. So student, everyone, tell me, by combining both the data, can you answer the question? By combining both the data, can you answer the question? Please send the answer. Yes or no? By combining both the statement, can you answer the question? Yes or no? Send me the. By combining statement number 1 and 2, can you answer the question? Give me the response. Just send me quickly. देखो, your reaction is dangerous. A is not possible. Wait a student. Hey, please write note number 2. Note number 2. Please write note number 2. Likho. Please write note number 2. Yes, nobody can solve it. A student, please write down note number 2. The note number 2 must solve using pen and paper. Please write down note number 2. Must solve using pen and paper. A, it means never decide answer using orally. In paper, in CSAT paper, the most of the question you will get wrong answer. Must use paper. Write note down to must use pen and paper before deciding the answer. A student, किसी की हिम्मत नहीं है इसको सॉल्व करने की. Yes, you are completely wrong. Why you are wrong? Because both the equation are 100% same. Solve करके जरा देखो. Both are 100% same. X cancel out, Y cancel out. How can you solve it? So don't decide orally. Always use pen and paper and solve it. Solve it to get the answer. If you are getting answer, then say yes. So here even first and second statement together not sufficient to answer the question. Right, student, and write one more note. Note number 3. Ideas number 3. Write note number 3. Combination of the, hey, here student, not possible for anyone including me, because both are same equation. So write note number 3. Combination of both the statement only allowed. Write note number 3. Combination of both the statement only allowed. Thank you everyone. Combination of statement 1 and 2 combination of both the statement only allowed if individual statement are not sufficient to answer the question. If individual statement are not sufficient to answer the question. Remember, a student, individual statements are not sufficient to answer the question, then only combination of data allowed. Yes, okay. So only this much of idea. Now let's practice few questions. Let's practice. Dear student, please focus on first question. जा 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 कबूतर जा जाएगा. Student, focus on this question. Everyone, please do it. Question number 42. What is the percentage of literacy in females? Student, what is the percentage of literacy in male? Ja. We will discuss 5-6 questions. You will enjoy and you will get power. ओ भाई, भैया जा, नहीं जा रहा है. हाँ, गया. Student, read question number 42 and send the answer within 1 minute. Thank you everyone, my brother and sister. Send the answer of 42 question. Hey, do it rough work using pen and don't decide orally. You will be in a trouble. So these kind of option given in the question. What is the percentage of literacy in females? First try to answer using first statement alone. Student, give me reaction. अपना reaction दो. Give me reaction. So option C means either first or second. All the best everyone. Yes. Yes. Haji. Please. C, D. Oh my God. Getting 3 kinds of answer. A, C, D. A, C, D. How is possible? A. Let's discuss. A student. Let's say total population. ये देखो first पे हम focus करने जा रहे हैं. Let total population is 100. Let total population is 100. A student, let पहले को explain करने जा रहा हूँ. Let total is 100. Group consists of 100. Read this. Out of total population, 60 are males. So these 100 consist of male 60. It means remaining are female. That is 40. 60 plus 40 is 100. Read next line. 25% of the males are literate. So among male, 25% means 1/4. So here literate males are 1/4 of 60, that is 15. 25% means 1/4. So 1/4 of 60 is 15. Okay. And 25% of total population are literate. Hey, out of 100 total, 25% are literate. So total literates are 25% of 100, that is 25. So that is obvious, female literates are exactly 10. It means first statement sufficient to answer the question. It means first student, ये देखो, so literate percentage among female is 10/40, means 10/40 into 100. It means 25%. Hey, so doable. Must do it, a student. In our exam, questions are not easy. The good question appears. So must practice it and decide. First alone sufficient. Hey, once one statement sufficient means never go for option D. Both 1 and 2 only allowed if individually not possible. Here first is sufficient. Hey, listen, no, math 3, no. See here, second statement. For every 4 females, 1 is literate. So among 4 females, 1 is literate. So literate percent among female is 1 out of 4 into 100. So is exactly 25%. For every 4 female, 1 is literate. So it means second alone also sufficient. Only correct answer is option C. Only correct answer is option C. Student, be careful. Combination of data only allowed if individually not sufficient. Here possible. So answer is sufficient. Student, go for question number 43. Send the answer within a minute. Question number 43. Question number 43. Please, data sufficiency. 5 question student in our paper last year. Student, please send the answer of question number 43. Question number 43. Quick, go for action. Yes, Ragini, Sonu, Roshan, Murari, everyone. Thank you so much. शशि, 4 फीमेल में से 1 लिटरेट है, इसका मतलब है हर 4 में से 1 लिटरेट है, इसका मतलब 25% फीमेल आर लिटरेट. फोकस ऑन दिस. सी एंड डी, ए कोई एक ही सही होगा. स्टूडेंट, सीधा आंसर. हाउ मेनी नंबर्स आर ग्रेटर देन 30? सो अकॉर्डिंग टू फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट, आउट ऑफ 6, 3 numbers are equal to 40. But what about other 3 numbers? We don't know. So we can't decide. Statement 1 alone not sufficient. Here 3 of the 6 number are equal to 40. But what about the other 3 numbers? So that's why how many numbers are greater than 30 cannot be possible. We can't take decision. So first alone not sufficient. Go for second statement. 3 of the 6 number are equal to 20. But what about the other 3? We don't know. So second alone is not sufficient. Now combine both the data. So combination only allowed if individually not possible. So by combining 1 and 2, the total 6 number, out of 6, 3 are equal to 40, 3 are less than 30. So therefore 1 and 2 possible. Answer is 3 numbers. 3 numbers greater than 30 because of after combining. So therefore only correct answer is both 1 and 2 are sufficient. No math 3. Math 3, total 6 number, out of 6 only 3 are greater than 40, equal to 40. What about other 3? That's why how many numbers are greater than 3? We can't take decision using first. Data sufficiency is a reasoning as well as maths or combination of both. Yes, okay. Only correct answer is D. Only correct answer is D. Student, come to question number 44. Student, a 44th question is based on paper question of 2021. इसको अभी रहने देते हैं. Please go for 45. 45th question. No math 3, no. Dear student, go for question number 45. I will discuss 44 also, but 45. Student, read carefully and go for answer. In a certain class, X boys and Y girls took a test. Was the average of score of X boys greater than 83? Total X boys. So is average greater than 83? You need to decide it. Send the answer. Sum of all the score means all the score of a student was 85 into X plus Y. Sum of all the score. Send the answer, student. Combination of data, acha, okay. Both 1 and 2 together not sufficient. A, give me reaction, 50% of D, 50% of A. Question is, देखो student, let's discuss. X boys, Y girls. So total student X plus Y. Total number of student X plus Y. ये first statement पे focus कर रहा हूँ. and total score, total sum of score is 85 into x plus y. So therefore average of the class becomes sum divided by number of observation, 85 into x plus y divided by total student x plus y. So average of the class is 85. But what is question? Was the average score of X boys greater than 83? Using first statement, only average of the class can be calculated. Average of the whole class can be calculated. So statement 1 incorrect. Statement 1 alone not sufficient to answer the question. Now focus on second. Average score of Y girls. Here I know only girls average 86. Only girls average score is given 86. But question is score of X greater than 83? So second alone not sufficient to answer the question. Second alone, I am talking about average score of Y girls. Only X and Y total number of girls. So it means first option A cancel out, option B cancel out, option C cancel out. So answer is D. Answer is D. Because either one or two not sub. Only correct answer is option D. No need to combine and all. Combine करने से भी कुछ नहीं होगा. Only correct answer is D. Okay, dear student. Very good. Average. Data sufficiency means combination of maths and reasoning. Logical decision are required. A student, send the answer of 46th question. 46th question. Send the answer of 46th question. Yes, Ragini. Send the answer of 46th. A, C, 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 C. Answer is C, student. A student, individually one can answer question. So today the price of item exactly 1.2 times of last 3 years. So one relation is given. So price, since present price is given, so 3 years ago price can be easily calculated. So both alone sufficient to answer the question. Therefore answer is C. Therefore answer is C, student. Therefore answer is C. भैया एक 2 मिनट के लिए लगाते हैं. कह रहे हैं नो. हाँ जी स्टूडेंट. आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी. Student, send me the answer of 47th question. 47th question. Send the answer of question number 47, student. Question number 47. Question related to calendar. AD, 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 AD. देखो student here. See here. So option A and D. I am getting 2. देखो is student. How many Mondays were there in a month? How many Mondays? So student, let's solve this question using first statement first. केवल first पे focus करो. It was Tuesday on 16th. So student, Tuesday on 16th. 16th Tuesday. But my aim is how many Monday? So इसका मतलब है 15th was on Monday. It means 15th was on Monday. And we know that every 7th day falls on same day. Every 7th day falls on same day. So 15 के पहले कौन कौन रहा होगा? First on Monday, 8th on Monday. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 7, 15th on Monday. 15th plus 7, 22nd on Monday. And 29th also Monday. So it means these 5 Mondays are possible. But the problem is a student, whether the given month is February or April or July, not known. If February means February ordinary year, only 28 days are possible. In that case, only 4 Monday. So first 8, 15, 22 and 29. Suppose if month is February ordinary year, then only 4 Mondays. So therefore first statement alone not sufficient. Student, here problem is year is not given, month is not given. Here now read second statement. Month had 30 days. So even this is not sufficient because month had 30 days, but which month, which year? अच्छा देखते हैं सेकंड स्टेटमेंट को फिर से पढ़ते हैं स्टूडेंट. मंथ है वेट मंथ हैड 30 डेज. मंथ हैड 30 डेज. इट्स नॉट गारंटेड. देयर आर so many month which contain only 4 Mondays. So second also alone not sufficient. Okay, now a student combine both 1 and 2. Combine both 1 and 2. Then see the result. Then you have 30 days as well as 16th on Monday. So once you will combine, you will get 5 Monday guaranteed. Once you will combine both the data, you will get exactly 5 Monday. Therefore answer D is 100% correct. Therefore answer both 1 and 2 100% correct. Only correct answer is option D. Be careful, student. 100% correct answer is 5 Monday. So by combining both you will be able to answer. So basic knowledge and practice both are required. This 48th question is from paper question. This 45th, 44th also. So student, everything is done. Everything is done. Student, please focus here. Write calendar. Last few minute discussion. Dear students, see here. In calendar, there are 3 variety of question. One is the first variety of question is actual day based question. Actual day based question. It means how to convert any historical date into day. How to convert. This is known as actual day based question. हाँ, DI कुछ डिफरेंट होता है मैत्री. ये देखो टाइप 2 वेराइटी इज assumption day based question. Assumption day based question. Assumption day based question means assumed day based question. Assumed day based question. Hey, for example, 20th April 2023 is on Sunday. Hey, you know, is Thursday, was Thursday, is Thursday. So it means assumed day based question. So is another variety. And type 3 is repetition of calendar. Type 3 is repetition of calendar. Repetition of calendar. Repetition of calendar. Repetition of गलत है. Repetition of calendar. Repetition of calendar. A student, out of 3 I will discuss only the last one. Only the last one I am going to discuss. Please write type 3. Please write type 3 only few minutes and then okay, bye bye. हाँ जी, please write repetition of calendar. This question appear in 2000 latest paper में 2019 one question repetition of calendar, right? 2019, right? So student, please write heading repetition of calendar. Repetition of calendar means calendar of 2023, this year calendar, as it is repeated in which next coming year. That means repetition. So repetition means if 1st January and 31st December of 2023 exactly same in coming year, it means everything repeated. So same calendar, repetition of calendar, I am talking repetition, okay, repetition, okay, spelling error, repetition, alright, repetition, okay, no problem student. Right now, so focus on repetition of calendar. Okay, student, repetition. All right, Rakesh, thank you. Repetition. All right. So, right heading, repetition of calendar. One simple idea, repetition of calendar. Okay, student, only I will discuss this segment. So, write the first idea. Please write down everyone. Leap year calendar repeated after every 28 years. Dear student, everyone, please write the first point. Please write down. Leap year calendar repeated after every 28 years. The first important point, write down. Note number one. A leap year calendar repeated after every 28 years. Say, write one example. So let's say example, take leap year as a 2024. 2020, 20 was leap year, even 24 is a leap year. So 2000, how to decide leap year? If given year is divisible by 4. So 2020 a leap year. So tell me, a student, answer. Calendar of 2020 will be repeated in which next coming year? Send the answer. Please send the answer. Calendar of 2020. Calendar of 2020 will be repeated in which next coming year? Using note number 1. Send the answer. Calendar. No. Repeated after every 28 years. So 2020 plus 28. That means 2048. So calendar of 2020 will be repeated in 2048. This is always true for any leap year. So now write note number 2. Write, a student, note number 2. Note number 2. Leap year plus 1. Write down leap year plus 1. Calendar. First write down repeated after every 6 year. First copy down. Leap year plus 1 calendar repeated after every 6 years. Haji, very good student. Listen here. Hey, it means see one example. So 2020 was leap year. So 2020 plus 1, it means 2021. So calendar of 2021 repeated after every 6 years. So student, tell me, calendar of 2021 will be repeated in which next year with the help of note number 2. Leap year plus 1, it means 2020 leap year plus 1 means 2021. Tell me, calendar of 2021 will be repeated after how many years? So 2021 plus 6, it means 2027. So calendar of 2021 is same as calendar of 2027. So if given year is leap year plus 1, then repeated after every 6 year, leap year plus 1. So calendar of 2021 same as 2027. Very good. Write note number 3. Write down. Leap year plus 2. Write down. Leap year plus 2 calendar repeated after every 11 years. Every 11 years. Leap year plus 2. Student, last few minute discussion. Yes, math 3. Only in case of century. Very good. Focus here. Leap year plus 2 always repeated after 11 years. Say, so student, see one example. 2020 plus 2. It means calendar of 2022. 2022 will be same as 2022 plus 11. That is 2031. 2033. It means calendar of 2022 will be same as calendar of 2033. So leap year plus 2 always repeated after every 11 years. After every 11 years. And one last idea, very good, very good. Hey, one last idea, please write down, please write down. Note number 4, note number 4, leap year plus 3. Then हम सब एक साथ विदा लेंगे. Okay, student, right? So please write down leap year plus 3. Write down. So leap year plus 3 calendar. Write down leap year plus 3. Note number 4. Note number 4. Leap year plus 3. Leap year plus 3 calendar repeated after every 11 years. Repeated after every 11 years. Yes, student, is correct. So therefore, example 2020 leap year plus 3 means calendar of 2023. Send the answer. So leap year plus 3 always repeated after 11 years. Send the answer. Thank you everyone. Send the answer and then we will plan together closing ceremony. We will plan closing ceremony together. Yes, student. So please give me Haji. So 2023 plus 11. So 2034. Therefore, calendar of 2023 will be repeated in 2034. Yes, student. All right. Yes, student. Dear student, we will celebrate closing ceremony. Please clap for KSG PT marathon session. First clap everyone, wherever you are sitting. Clap for Dr. Khan sir and KSG team. Such a beautiful session. Even I am 25 years as a teacher, maths and reasoning faculty, but first time I got opportunity, such a beautiful idea. So seriously clap for Dr. Khan sir and KSG team. Wow. All the best. Bye bye and